In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format numbers as currency in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the cells you want to format. You can click and drag to highlight a range or select an entire column by clicking its letter at the top. If you're working with a mix of text and numbers, make sure the cells you choose actually contain numeric values. Dates and plain text won't turn into currency unless they're real numbers, so double-check that first. With your cells selected, head to the top toolbar and click on the Format menu. This is where all the styling and number formatting options live in Google Sheets. From the drop-down, hover over Number. You'll see several presets, and the one we want right now is Currency. Click Currency, and immediately your selected cells will display as money. You'll notice thousands separators, typically 2 decimal places, and a currency symbol. By default, the symbol matches your spreadsheet's locale, which you can set when you create the sheet or in your settings. At this point, your values are the same as before, only the display has changed. The formatting doesn't alter the underlying numbers, it just makes them easier to read for financial data, invoices, or budgets. If you selected the wrong cells, you can quickly undo with your keyboard shortcut or reselect and repeat the same steps. If you'd like a different currency symbol, say you're preparing a report for another region, go back to Format, hover over Number again, and choose Custom Currency. This opens a panel where you can pick the exact symbol you want. You can search by country or currency code and preview how positive and negative numbers will look. When you're happy with the choice, click Apply, and the selected cells will immediately reflect your new currency symbol. This change is purely formatting. It doesn't convert the value from one currency to another. It only changes how the number is displayed. A quick tip: keep your formatting consistent across related columns, like revenue, expenses, and totals, so your sheet stays clear and professional. And if you're sharing the sheet with collaborators in different regions, agreeing on a single currency symbol avoids confusion. That's it. You've selected your cells, applied the currency format, and customized the symbol using custom currency. With these simple adjustments, your data becomes much easier to read and present.